Little dog versus bigger dog. Hey, pups. Oh, Mochi's giving it an effort. He thinks he can handle it. Birdie's staying out of it as usual, and Figgy is. I'm gonna stay inside. Oh, now you're gonna talk, Figgy, from inside. Then come out. Come out. Oh, I just like to bark from the window. Oh, so tough. Oh, Bodie's in on it. Look at that. Bodie says, I'll play with the big dog. I'm not afraid. Birdie says, foolish young dog. You don't play with bigger dogs. You just don't. All right. Well, we found out who's who in this pack. You gonna do something about it, Figgy, or are you just gonna talk? Yeah, you're just gonna talk. Birdie's like, I'm not doing anything. Go inside. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you're so tough. How about you go outside? How about you actually go outside? Let's see what happens. Oh, the barking stopped. Oh, yeah, no, hey, fine. You guys are welcome. Wait, hold on. I want to come back in.